guesses? Any guess? What is a resistance? What is a resistance?
To
Resistance.
set the DC initial values.
Okay, resistance is a dash device. Can anybody fill the dash with the proper word? Resistance is a dash device.
To resist the current flowing.
No, complete the question given me. Resistance is a dash device. What is that? Fill in the blank.
Ohmic.
Fill the blank with a good word. Anybody said, Rajit? You said something?
Ohmic, sir.
Huh?
Ohmic. OHM.
Ohmic device. Okay. And I want some other word.
Passive device.
Passive. No. Okay. Some other word. All ohmic device, passive device. Very good. They are all correctly representing the resistance, but I am looking for that one particular word. Resistance is a
That
dash device.
implements electrical resistance.
No, I just need a single word. Single word. Resistance is a dash device. So the options which are told already are passive, ohmic, both are correct, but not suiting here. I am just looking for that particular word. The moment I say resistance, what comes to your mind? What comes to your mind the moment Huh?
Resistor.
That's what. When I say resistor or resistance, what comes to your mind? What relates?
Ohm's law.
Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law?
Controlling device, sir.
What is Ohm's law?
V is equal to I.
V is equal to IR. Or how did we get that R actually? We write V is proportional to I, and the constant of proportionality is called as V is equal. We put that R and we got V is equal to IR, right? So if V is proportional to I, what is that called as?
So regulating device, sir.
Regulating. You are almost close, but I am looking for one particular word. If I'll give you one clue. Please hear this sentence carefully and you will get the answer. I have two parameters, x and y. If x is increasing, y is also increasing. If x is decreasing, y is also decreasing. Then x and y are dash.
Directly proportional.
That is what directly proportional means. How can you say it mathematically?
Dependent.
Dependent, okay. See, if we think, you see how many good answers we are getting, and all the answers what you say are correct, but you are not saying the answer which I am looking for. Guess. Constant? No, I am saying it is increasing, which is varying, right? So it cannot be constant, right? If x is increasing, y is also increasing. If x is decreasing, y is also decreasing. So x and y are dash variables.
Related variables.
Huh?
Related variables.
Related in what way?
Proportional.
Related in what
directly
way?
proportional.
Directly proportional means
Straight line graph.
Straight line. Line. Use that word line. What is the extension of that line? Linear. Yes.
Yes.
Linear. What is the meaning of linear? X is proportional to y. So if x is increasing, y is increasing. V is proportional to y. If v is increasing, I is increasing. If v is decreasing, I is decreasing. So why I choose resistance for biasing is, resistance is a linear device, first thing, and any linear device will not alter my signal. So already we have seen an amplifier, it should provide noise-free and distortion-free output, right? So if that has to happen, the input to the amplifier should be good. So the input to amplifier can be provided only by a proper linear device called as a resistance. So V is equal to IR, or I can say in a resistance, V is proportional to I. But inductor and capacitance, if you see, they are non-linear. For voltage across inductor, V is equal to I 1 by C integral I dt. So voltage across capacitor and inductor, we will be using differentiation and integration formulas, and we can directly find that V and I are not linear. There is a dependence on frequency. But resistor is linear and it is frequency independent. So that is the reason why I'm going to use resistance for biasing all my circuits. And what is the drawback of using a resistor? What is the drawback of using a resistor? Why I have no other option. I am using a resistor, but what is the drawback?